All right, today let's talk about what to wear when the weather is hot, 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 as it is here today. I mean, it must be about 100 degrees out there, but I want to show you 5 mistakes in your fashion styling that might put you in a sticky situation, or may I say, a sweaty situation, and it all starts with mistake number 1. You know that cotton is breathable, so you choose to wear a denim or heavy cotton skirt or pants. Well, even though this lovely skirt has a slit up the side, if you're sitting at an outdoor patio, you're going to be hot and sweaty. Denim or heavy cotton, whether you're wearing a skirt, jeans, or even shorts, are going to make you sweat and feel hot because the material is just too heavy. Better to choose an easy, breezy material like this fashionable skirt. And although this one is out of stock, I found a similar one for just $34, and it comes in 19 different styles and colors. The top I'm wearing is by Allegra K and mostly cotton for just $20, and it goes up to 3XL. It's also in 10 colors, and what about this stretchy belt for just $20? The strappy sandals are only $40 and available in 7 colors. Now, this is an outfit where you don't only feel cool, you look cool too. And by the way, I'll have most of the cool outfit fashions in the video description and also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're going to find my favorite swimwear, beachwear, and of course those easy breezy dresses. But for now, let's take a look at mistake number 2. You know that wearing white is great for summer, so you dress in it head to toe. Well, this looks like a nurse's outfit from the 1960s. This is also a good place to put the styling outfit idea of 3s, which I've done here with 3 main pieces. I kept the skirt, which by the way is by Belief, and last time I checked was only $40 and in 10 colors. But I traded the top for a cute eyelet top, which last time I checked was on sale for 33% off and just $26. And don't forget those Skechers slip-in sneakers. Last time I checked, they were also on sale. But the rule of 3 here is this lovely crossbody leather purse, which has pebbled leather and perfect for those hot days where you want security for your valuables with lots of zippers, to be hands-free and look stylish as well. And the best thing about this purse is the last time I checked, it was only $46. Notice how the 3 items put together really make something stylish. And by the way, if you like videos like these made by a woman who might be a little closer to your age, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you know when my next video is out. Oh, and don't forget to stay until the end of this video, where once again I'll have an inspirational message for you. But for now, let's take a look at mistake number 3. Now, you know that cotton and linen are great for summer, but you refuse to wear any other materials. Well, these days, that's like an old wives' tale. Manufacturers have come a long way, and these days many polyesters and viscose materials are better for you to wear than those cottons. Now, always read the description of the piece of clothing you're choosing, but this Under Armour top, for example, is 100% polyester, and the tech fabric is quick drying, and the material actually wicks your sweat away to dry fast, and it goes up to size 3XL, available in 10 colors, and you won't believe this. You can get this hot weather friendly top on sale, and the last time I checked it was just $15. And it's also by the famous Under Armour brand. And if you like to have fun in the sun, don't forget to check out my latest YouTube channel, and that's Age Empowered. We have added to that channel a lot of, lifestyle, fun things like, we did a house makeover, we renovate or make over our yard, we have DIY projects, we even have, when we went to a festival and looked at dozens of food trucks, and Bill's in a lot of them as well. And then of course I also have my heart-to-heart messages, but that's all you have to do is just go to YouTube and search Age Empowered. But for now, let's take a look at mistake number 4. Now I know a lot of us, we don't really want to show our upper arms, but let's face it, when it's 100 degrees outside, we've got to. And so I've already showed you some sleeveless tops that I'd be wearing, but remember, and I know I've told you about this before, but these Warner bras, they are fabulous. If you that kind of flabby stuff that's underneath your arms, you want to keep the girls in and the flabby stuff in, this is the bra for you. Now this is by Warner's, it's a top brand, and you can see this extra material here. Also, last time I checked, this was on sale for like 30% off and like $32. Now it has a very light padding in it, and it has very good support as well. Also, the regular tie at the back. Just an absolute beautiful bra. Now it comes in a different kind of sizing, so do read the size chart, but it goes up to 3XL, and I love it. This is like my skin color. I absolutely love that, but I also bought it in black, and if you're wearing a black sleeveless dress or a top, this part really just hides underneath your arms. It's perfect. So hey, if you're worried about your arms, maybe even the rest of your arms, and you're out having fun in the sun, I guarantee you're probably the only one worried about your arms. Go out there and have some fun. Now let's look at the alternative to wearing, long pants in the heat, or even those longer ankle pants or capris. And I'm going to cover this in my next mistake. So you think you've got the look right for summer with those white pants, but you're absolutely dying in the heat. I'm going to suggest that you ditch the pants, and once again, don't worry how your legs look, and get into an easy breezy skirt like this one that I showed you earlier for just $40. They have a little lightweight pair of shorts underneath in case the wind shows up. And skirts are my go-to all summer long, as the bottoms I prefer. And I also have another bargain, this Wick Away the Sweat top, and this is a stylish one by Hanes that is an amazing $16, and it comes in 8 colors to size 3XL. Once again, I have those fabulous slip-in sneakers by Skechers. They're on sale last time I checked for $62. And let's put on that leather crossbody handbag for $45 to finish the look. And I was just thinking that, if you don't want to show your arms or your legs, and of course putting on an overtop like a sweater or something, you're just going to be too hot, you're probably spending most of the summer inside. And I say don't do that. Go out, have some play, have some laughter, go swimming in a swimming pool. Just start to enjoy yourself. Hiding inside the house because you don't want to show your arms and your legs, we got to change that. And the hot weather shouldn't deter us from, going and eating on a patio. A lot of times they have those umbrellas, maybe strolling through a festival or one of those fall fairs. Well, maybe not in the fall, but summer fairs, and just enjoy yourselves. Make sure you're wearing a hat and sunglasses and lather up those exposed arms and legs, and just go out there and have some fun. And if you say, Heather, oh my gosh, it's just too hot. Well, I live in the city, and one of the things that I do is I always try to walk on, like there's lots of buildings, so I always try to walk on the shady side of the street, and it really does help. Also, if I find myself getting too hot, what I'll do is I'll sort of go into a cool store and look around, or maybe even a coffee shop. And today I showed you mistakes, with styling and that sort of thing, but I think the biggest thing that you could make as a mistake is just not going outside at all. And remember, I talked about the second YouTube channel with the heart-to-heart chats and also the lifestyle kind of fun videos as well. Well, in a few seconds, you're going to see a yellow page pop up. You'll see me in a blue shirt. And if you click on that blue shirt and me, you'll get right to that channel. So enjoy. And as I always say, we only have so many summers, and if you're staying inside a lot, you don't want to show your arms, you don't want to show your legs, or you just don't want to go outside at all, you're really missing out. You're missing out on play and laughter. What about the festivals, the farmers markets, and even the fairs? It's time to get into the great outdoors, and for me, it's just another way to be loving our age.